Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. Welcome to episode 44 of Hashtag Friday Sews. As always, a big thank you to Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room, who is the creator of the hashtag. So thank you, Jen. All right, so what's been going on in the sewing room this week? Well, not a whole lot. I've not been down here very much. I haven't felt like sewing. Um, and I don't know if it's because I did like a flurry of things over the weekend, and then we had our family party Saturday night. Yeah, I haven't been in the mood to start anything. I wasn't sure what to start. Anyways, so not much has been going on, except that I did finish my daughter's Willow wrap top. So with the final fabric, and I'll just go and get that for you. So last week I showed you the muslin with the crazy gray or silver and black fabric. So for the final version, we went with an ITY in this cherry kind of color with black dots all over it. It's not a great quality ITY. It is, like you can see, yeah, it's not very opaque. And when you stretch it, I don't know if I'll be able to show you. Oh, maybe not. Maybe this way. Yeah, look at the white that comes through. So, yeah, I went up a size for her because the muslin I made was ultra tight, like very fitted on her. And I knew that in this fabric, you would see the white go through and it wouldn't be very, very nice. But it is done, and I had 3 meters of this fabric, and I used about barely 1.5 to make this for her. So with the remnant, I made myself another La Belladonna by Love Notions. And I don't have it down here because I actually wore it one day this week, but I'll pop a picture of it. I kind of like it. I mean, that top is not fitted at all. And with the cowl neck, there's really nothing that needs to stretch. So the fact that this fabric is so thin and not very good quality doesn't matter. And I do love the color. So yeah, so I ended up with a bonus top for myself out of this project, which is very nice. And besides that, yeah, not much sewing has been going on. Those are pretty much the only finishes that I managed to get done this week. Oh, except for, hold on. I'm very prepared for this video, aren't I? Hold on. Oh, I finished these this week. So this was my first version of the mug rug, which I used to basically test out my design and all of the instructions. And then in the video, I make this one, which I absolutely love. So yeah, so one of them is going to be for me and the other one for my daughter. But I'm going to put this on my desk upstairs so that I use it every day until Valentine's Day. And the video is ready to go and is going to be on the channel on Tuesday next week. So Tuesday the 24th. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with the little mug rug. But all of this sewing was done by Sunday evening, and I basically haven't been down here at all since then. So yeah. In terms of plans, though, for the upcoming week, my Think Pink subscription box came in last night. And I decided to do things a little bit differently this month. I talked about this a couple months ago, how I was going to do that moving forward. So I filmed me unboxing my box, but I didn't release the video because I want to also make something from the fabric and film the finished make and then put all of that together into one video. I got the idea from What Beck Sews here on YouTube. She does that with her Sew Haley Jane boxes. So basically she releases one video and she shows the unboxing and then cuts over to her actually making the thing and then showing us the final garment. And I thought it was a really, really good idea. So the fabric we got this month is this gorgeous viscose fabric. I have 2.5 yards of this. And I have to say, that would not have been a choice. Like if I were in a fabric store and I walked by this fabric, I never would have given it a second look. And it's not, well, it's a little bit about the colors, but it's mostly the print. Although, yeah, I'm a quilter and I love patchwork. I don't know that I love it on fabric for some strange reason, but this is beautifully soft. It's got amazing drape, but also like body to it. And I think it's going to make a great boho style top. So I decided to make myself a Rhapsody blouse with the long bishop sleeves. And I think it's going to be amazing. And I think I'm going to need 2 yards to make it. So yeah. So that's the plan for this coming weekend, making a new Rhapsody blouse with this fabric. And I mean, I can wear this with black pants. It's got, I think it's black. Yeah, it's black in the background. This yellow or mustard really is not on my color palette, but the soft pink is, and this grayish blue is. So yeah, I mean, it should be fine around my face. So that's the plan for this weekend. Throwing this in the wash, it's ready to go. I've serged my edges, and then hopefully get cutting and sewing and have a finished blouse early next week, and then release the whole from opening to wearing kind of video. Now, when Andrea from Beyond the Pink Door had her Christmas sale or Boxing Day sale, I decided to indulge because I knew I was not going to buy much fabric this year just because I have a lot. But I needed a few winter pieces. I don't have a lot of snuggly, very thick fabric. A lot of what I have is like viscose or viscose twills or cottons. So, and I need a couple of items, which I'm going to put in my February plans, actually. So I got this gorgeous black and white Ponte, which is, oh my gosh, this is such a good fabric. And it's not super thick. It's stretchy enough, not super stretchy, but stretchy enough. And I'm going to make myself a top with this. Probably something like the Oliver or the Uvita top by Itch to Stitch. So something simple, not too many seam lines. But yeah, this is amazing. And I think I got 2 meters. Did I get 2 meters? I think I got 2 meters. So there may be a little bit left after making my top. And maybe I could do something for my daughter with the rest. So that's the first thing I got. And I've not made the final decision on what I'm going to make with this. And I have time. I mean, this is going to be my February plans. So then I got a black, oh my goodness, what is this? It's some kind of, oh, French terry. My gosh, words tonight. So this is a French terry, again, by Beyond the Pink Door, obviously, in a black. And I'm going to make a very simple pair of slow pants with this. I need some black athleisure pants. I have black dressy pants, but I need athleisure pants, and you know, a very simple top with the black pants is going to be very nice. So that's that. And then I got 2 meters of her Cozy Colors sweatshirting in the burgundy colorway. And look at these little specks of color. I love that. And I'm going to make myself, I think, another Stanton with this. I'm wearing my latest Stanton today, actually. And I think this will make another really, really good one. And 2 meters is just about right to make a Stanton hoodie. So I think that's what this is going to be. So those are all of the extra fabrics that I got in my Beyond the Pink Door delivery this week. So very, very pleased with all those pieces. Now I just need to photograph everything, put everything into my Stash Hub app, and make decisions as far as what patterns I'm going to use. And that'll all go into my February plans. And that's pretty much all that's been happening over here in the sewing room. Like I said, I've not been down here very much this week. As far as life, well, it's been a busy week at work. It is, our fiscal year runs from July to June. So January is basically the mid-year. And we tend to do informal mid-year performance reviews at this time of year. Now I have 14 people who report into me, so that's 14 mid-year performance review that I need to get ready for and then host and all of that good stuff. And I need to do that in like a 2-week period. So a lot of meetings this week. And yeah, so work has been a little bit busy, probably why I've not been down here very much this week. Besides that, we are hosting the kids and grandkids this Saturday night for dinner. One of our grandkids is turning 4 or 5, maybe 5 this weekend on Saturday. So we're going to have a little family get together for him. And besides that, no plans for the weekend. So we're supposed to get snow again. I'm pretty much done with winter and snow and the cold, to be honest. Yeah, I'm done. All right, so that's what's been going on with me as far as the channel. Well, earlier this week, I published an updated list of tried and true patterns that I have. And because last June, I published a video for my TNTs, and my list was very short 6 months ago. And I've been working really hard at finding more of these TNTs for myself. So I updated, or basically filmed, a new video with my updated list, and that went out on Tuesday just past. And like I said before, you'll have the mug rug or the Valentine's Day mug rug tutorial on the channel on Tuesday, the 24th. And then I'll be back here for Friday Sews on Friday next week as well. All right, so that'll do it for me this week. I hope you've had a great week. I hope your weekend is fabulous. Thanks for stopping by. Please give the video a like on your way out if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.